Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice, and I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video. That is about some people think that educating people about problem of eating too much fast food has no effect, and that other measures should be taken to tackle the issue. What is your opinion? So this is an opinion based the cue card. Basically we need to at least basically previously i have I have written down the thing in for the writing practice, and now I'm speaking. At least I have write down around 700 words, which is quite great for me because past in earlier time I haven't basically write down this kind of words. So let's jump into this video. Whatever I have in my mind, I just write it and just uh, put down in chat gpt, and whatever response I got, I'm going to speak on this video. So let's get into it. So in my opinion, fast food is a major cause of several health problems. Because of this, many people are unable to perform basic personal activity properly. From an education point of view, most parents ask their children to eat less fast food and avoid over processed items. However, many young people ignore their parents' advice and continue consuming food regularly. If I talk about myself, I was also someone who followed the same routine, but I still remember a day when I got food poisoning and had to stay in the hospital for more than a week. After that experience, I realized that eating junk food daily can seriously affect health. The problem may not appear immediately, but they can become dangerous over time. So therefore, I decided to change my lifestyle and avoid eating unhealthy food from outside. To educate people about the harmful effect of junk food, the government should take strong decisions such as limiting the sales of food items that contain excessive calories. This could slowly help people develop healthier eating habits. Along with this, the government should run awareness campaign on social media and other online platforms so that more people can understand the importance of healthy eating. Health is also the responsibility of family, because many parents regularly buy junk food for their children. So they should encourage healthy eating habits from an early age, right? So schools should also educate students about nutrition and the harmful effect of fast food. Once children understand what healthy and unhealthy food is, they will make better choices in the future. I remember one incident from a few years ago when I saw a person eating a samosa made of maida and claiming that it contains 20 gram of protein. I was shocked by his nutrition knowledge. Nowadays awareness has improved, and the government have increased taxes on junk food, making such item more expensive. So this is a commendable steps, because many youngsters in India are facing obesity and other serious health problem due to unhealthy eating habits. So in conclusion, basically having a healthy lifestyle is a major basically way to basically live a healthy and prosperous life. So this is all about the cue card which I've chosen, and today I've spoken more than 2 minutes. That is great, and I'm going to speak this kind of practice. But nowadays I feel like I just cramming the words which I got from ChatGPT. I try to basically improve myself and just try to speak whatever I written. So for today's video, that is it. Bye bye. Have a good day.